Want to try this for months. I'm so excited. Okay guys, hi, happy Saturday. You guys saw me doing like a little bit of my morning chores. I know I look crazy, don't mind the hair, okay? I'm at home relaxing. It is a vlog, okay? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha Tania, and here on this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood. Today is a vlog, so no fashion today, really. I just did some of my chores and I got a text message saying my factor meals were here. So you guys just saw me get those from off the step. I have to bring them into the kitchen. They're so heavy. I'm excited because they weren't supposed to come until Sunday. Today's Saturday, so that's even better, which means I can stay on schedule with my eating throughout the next week. I did do the 18 meal plan, so I have 9 days worth of food. In my opinion, will be enough. I'm doing the 75 hard challenge. I haven't worked out today. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna work out tonight, but I'm considering my cleaning and moving around my workout today. I've already burned 291 calories and it's 1 o'clock. So yeah, I got the factor meals because I thought they would help me like stay within my macros, right? So I'm gonna calculate the calories, the protein, everything that's in there. I did the Calorie Smart, the Protein Plus package. I'm sorry, the Calorie Smart Protein Plus like meal plan type of meals, and I did 18 days worth, or 18 meals. So I think that's 9 days worth of meals for me because I do fast until about 2 p.m. So I have a late lunch and a dinner, and then that's it. And I'll have a snack in between lunch and dinner. So that will keep me at the 12 to, I'm trying to stay within 12 to 1500 calories a day. So yeah, because we're really trying to stay on task. I actually ate a little bit of my kids' eggs this morning. You guys saw me make that. So I didn't introduce the vlog right away because I wanted to kind of open with me doing stuff. I just like doing that because it's like a Saturday reset here. We're still on 75 hard. I'm doing a separate video for that, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that. I am doing updates on my 75 hard challenge. I don't know if I'm gonna do weekly updates or like a halfway mark type of thing, but I am documenting the full journey. So if you want to see that, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go get the factor meals. These are 2 big old boxes. Let's go with the smaller box first. Comes packaged. With an ice pack. Sometimes I really want them to sponsor. I'm hoping that I can get like some type of affiliate program of some sort, but we'll see. Wow, it came with like an ice pack. Woo! Cut corner, empty contents into the trash, recycle ice pack. This is cold. I want to keep this. I could use this on the boat. Ice pack, and it's ice cold, baby. Let's see. So we got factor meals. Does it tell you what it is? Oh yeah, see, it tells you what it is. It tells you what it is. It has this little QR code. I imagine I can like scan it and see the calories or whatever. So I got, and it has this says 710 calories for 1 tray. My God. This might be like a specialty meal, like on a really good day. This is 710 calories. It didn't say that when I purchased it. Okay, problem number 1. That's a heavy meal. I don't know, my husband might want these. I'll see. He'll use them. There's only 2 meals in that box. That's crazy. This one obviously has a majority of the meals in it. Because that box only came with 2 meals, which is crazy. Give a free box to someone. And some more coupons, I guess. See, this one has the name on it. Parmesan chicken, sun-dried tomatoes. This is only 560 calories. All right, and that got pasta in it. What is in here? This is carb heavy. Yeah, it has 52 grams of carbs in it. I don't know. That was one of those meals where I was like, oh, that's gonna be like a cheat meal. So my plan is to utilize the factor meals as I got kids, y'all, so there's stuff on the floor. Utilize the factor meals as my meals, but also a way to kind of like calculate the macros because they have everything already here for you. And I really love that. Really easy on the site. I do like that you can kind of pick what type of meals or plan you're trying to do to kind of meet your goals, right? Your fitness goals. So I chose Protein Plus and Calorie Smart, and it gives you like pre-selected menu or pre-selected meals, and you can kind of make your own selection and kind of go through that week's options. And that's what I did. So I did go off of the pre-selected menu and get a little more of variety. So when you first go on, they let you 18 meal plan. So they let you have like three selections of 6 different meals. Whew, I could not get that out. But I went ahead and kind of just browsed and found 2 of each meals that I wanted to try. My plan is to eat lunch and dinner on these factor meals and have a snack in between so that I close out all my goals that day. So yeah, so I got a few different meals. I'm going to try them out this week, and I will probably do a separate video for that. Yeah, this will be a part of it. So I'm gonna try them out all this week, and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts about the meals and how they taste and how they reheat. I got a bunch of different ones, so I'm not gonna go through each one right now, but when you see me eat them and heat them up, I will. All right, so I got 9 meals. I'm gonna separate like 7 of them for the week. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just try one of each one, and then I will worry about like the calories later. So I got a tamale cake or whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna do one of each for the first week, and then yeah, I'm just gonna do one of each. I got a lot of like, yeah, so I'm gonna do one of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already got honey butter chicken. Already got the honey butter chicken one. Grilled chicken brown Yukon mass, don't have that one. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put where I'm gonna store these at, because we are pretty much full around here, around this place. Like everything is stacked to the brims, to the gills. Roasted. This will probably be the one I eat today because it's like soaking wet. And I think I'm gonna put the rest in the freezer. I'm gonna separate 9 out, and 2, 4. You have to keep them in the freezer or the fridge. So I think I'm gonna put them put some in the fridge and some in the freezer. That out the way, I really need to head to the mall and go to H&M, but I really don't feel like it. I just don't feel like driving. I don't feel like taking the kids to H&M. Like, I just don't feel like doing any of that. This watermelon is old. I just don't feel like doing it at all. All right, so now that I got my factor meals out the way, I think I'm gonna run upstairs and do some laundry and change my sheets, and that's it. I need to add some content to my Sunday reset that I want to post tomorrow. So I think I'm going to pretend like, you know, it's still that Sunday and do some of the Sunday stuff that I planned on doing, which is fine. You can judge me if you want, but that's, a lot of people do that in their vlogs. Like, this is crazy. That's from my edge control. I just don't feel like going anywhere. I really, really don't. I just want to be home. Do you guys get like that where you just don't want to leave the house? Like, I think I'm about to order some food to get here for the kids because Easton wants Chick-fil-A, and I'm like, oh, maybe I'll just run out and get it. But I just don't feel like leaving the house. I just really, really enjoy being home. And also, it just is so hard to get out the house with the kids. We'll probably go to, hey, get out of there. We'll probably go to the park later. Your arm's gonna get stuck. We'll probably go to the park later, but that's about it. Okay guys, so I'm about to eat my first meal. Just read the instructions. I'm trying to be remove outer package, pierce plastic film a few times, microwave on high for 2 minutes. If needed, continue for 30-second intervals. Okay, I'm gonna try the one I'm least looking forward to, which is the Parmesan and sun-dried tomato chicken penne with roasted green beans and pearl onions. I didn't even check to see if there were nuts in here. Contains eggs and milk. So I like that it has, hold on. I like that it has the macros on here for you. So this is 560 calories for this whole meal, 30 grams of fat, 35 grams of carbs, and 37 grams of protein. The fat's kind of high. Carbs are somewhat low, 9 grams of sugar, 7 grams of fiber. So I'm gonna log this. I don't know what this scan is, so I'm gonna try to scan it and see what comes up. So I was actually able to type in the name of the factor meal and lose it, and it came right up, which is really cool. And the calories and the macros were on point. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, but I'm going to eat that and see how good it is. I'm hoping it's good. Okay, where is the meat? This must be protein pasta for it to be 35 grams of protein. Where is the meat? I count 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 good pieces of chicken. Okay. It's good. I mean, it's good. The string beans are good. I like the little pearl onions. Okay, guys, just an update. We never made it to the mall. They took a nap, I took a nap, and now I'm about to eat my snack. It's 5:30, and I'm hungry. So I'm having the Oikos 000. I showed you guys this on my Sunday reset, and I'm doing this protein granola, dark chocolate. I don't know. I don't really measure out. I just kind of do like what I think is like an ounce, because an ounce is 120 calories and 5 grams of protein. So I do like a handful like that. Chocolate milk? Okay, I'll get you some chocolate milk. Ah! Oh no, you okay? Is sweet all in your face? Let me see, you all right? I'm just gonna do, oh, I forgot to do chia seeds. I also add chia seeds as well. I've actually been doing this at night, but I just don't feel like it. Guys, it's a lazy Saturday for me. I really, it's raining. I'm just not in the mood to do nothing, okay? So I do about 2 tablespoons, which is also 5 grams of fiber. So this is a pretty, you do have to stir this up so that the chia seeds kind of lock in together and kind of swell up. Should I put strawberries on top? I don't know. I haven't been in a strawberry mood. I had an orange, a clementine after my factor meal, so I think I'm good on the fruit today, honestly. Seeds in it. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit because it has the chia seeds in it, and kind of let the chia seeds swell up. And then I'm gonna lay on the couch. I gotta finish editing a video that I want to post today by 7. And then really that's it, y'all. I'm not doing anything else. Okay, guys, so I want to make the viral Logan. He makes those cucumbers. I want to do the lox bagel or the salmon, like smoked salmon one. So I have all the ingredients and we're gonna make it. I don't have one of those cups he puts it in, so I'm gonna use one of these Pyrex bowls. Let's get all the stuff ready. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try this for months. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta eat a whole cucumber. So I've been wanting to try this for months. I'm so excited. I feel like I might want to do one more cucumber. Yeah, I might do one more. Or should I do one more or should I just keep it there? Let's just try this one. So I got my onions. I got my dill. Put all these ingredients, these crazy ingredients in first. And I just need my salmon. Wow, I got this honey smoked salmon from Sam's Club. It smells and tastes so good. I'm doing a lot of salmon because I need the protein and the fat. So put my salmon in. So excited. I'll do this with tuna too. I guess you could do it with tuna. My smoked salmon came with skin, I think. Yeah. And I love salmon skin, but I think I'm just gonna give it to my dog because it's so good for him. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna give it to my dog though. I don't know why the flash is not on. Okay, so to make this a little healthier, I'm gonna use some Greek yogurt and some plain Greek yogurt, like not flavored, and cream cheese. Look at the good gather. I'm also gonna add everything seasoning. Oh, I wish I had jalapenos. Oh wait, my everything seasoning has jalapeno flakes in it. I know Greek yogurt is gross, but it's so good for you. So I'm gonna go bloop. I feel like that's gonna make it extra creamy. Is that good? Come back in the backyard, I'll get you. For the cream cheese. Cooking on TikTok is messy because I'm trying to do everything so y'all can see it. That's enough cream cheese. All right, now how he shake this up, I don't even understand it. Everything seasoning, jalapeno. Jalapeno everything seasoning. Now, he says shake. I don't know. He's shaking forever.
Both y'all going to bed. Both of them were asleep.
Okay, update. I had to kind of like smear the cream cheese with a fork. The shaking was just not working. Delicious. I forgot my capers. I'm gonna add some more of this. Oh, making a mess. Oh, just swept the floor. Gonna get my capers. Forgot about my capers. Got my capers. Forgot about them. Put a little of the brine. Okay. And some capers for that extra salt element. I feel like I need more dill. I feel like it's not enough dill for me. Let's see if the capers do something different for me. Oh my God. Let me add some more of them. That's what was missing. That salty brininess of the capers. Yeah. And I like my capers really big. These are small, which is probably good for this. I usually buy the bigger ones. Anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy this, have a Diet Coke and a smile. I weighed my salmon, so this is within my macros. That Greek yogurt gives you that extra protein and less fat than all the cream cheese would. All right, y'all, I'm about to tear this up. Bye. You want a camera or whatever?
I think I'd rather move this out of my way when I'm doing this.
What, your phone?
No, I can't. This is my
No, that part. You don't have to move your ladder closer, I guess.
Alright, start handing me some of these rocks.
Okay.